What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the DeenKee D40. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified of the next videos to come, of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. So let's go ahead and open this up. At the front here, with this great welcome, has this front right here with the instruction manual as well. Has the vacuum right here as well. Gonna take that out. One right there. It also comes with 4 little brushes right there. It has this a lot bigger of a brush slash cutter right there, and also a stronger brush up there. Cool. It has some barrier strip as well so that it won't go past certain spots. Comes with the power adapter right here. The mopping pad, boom. It has the mopping station here as well. There you go. Which also comes with the pad, so that's an extra one that they provided there. And then the docking station right here. Right there. It also comes with extra filters as well. There you go. And some 3M electronic tape right there. Let's look at the box. So this is what the D40 looks like on the top. It has 2 buttons up here and a power button up here as well. The front here has the bumper, also sensor right in the front. The bottom looks like this. It has this big tall wheels right here, retractable as well. This part comes off so that you can clean it after you have do some cleaning. This part right here comes off as well by lifting this off, and this can be taken off really easily so that you can clean it off right there. Put it back is real easy as well. Just throw it like that. Place this back first and then down. That's it. Front here has 1 side brush and 1 wheel at the front as well for maneuvering, and this is where it's charged on the charging plate. Charging station here has little wheel that goes up and down as well. The back is where you put the charger right there. There's also this part where you can turn on and off the machine there. There are 2 different dustbins as well that was in the box. This one is the mop station water tank cleaning, where you can put the water right onto there, and then it's good up to 300 milliliters. There you go. This one is the dustbin, so to clean it out, so lift this up right here. There's a filter right there. It also comes with an extra filter as well if once you need to change that part. This part right here opens up as well. There you go, so that you can thoroughly clean this part right here, and then you can clean this out as well. You can mop and vacuum at the same time. It's just that the dustbin would be a little bit smaller because it'll prioritize a little bit more of the water tank. Next up, we need to control the vacuum. Therefore, we need to install the app. It's called the DeenKee app. Once we're ready, we're gonna go ahead and sign up a new account for ourselves, and then we're gonna add a new device. Here we're gonna select the D40, and then we're gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi. Make sure that it's 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, or else it won't work. Once it's all ready to go, it should say that it's done. And now let's show you some features. Let's do some pretty basic stuff here, like pressing play. Once you press play, it'll start cleaning. You can also look at the map by clicking the map button there, and it'll show you the cleaning area and the cleaning time of how long and which areas it covered while it's cleaning. There are a few settings as well, like suction, which you can change to auto, low, or big. There's also the water status, where you can change it to exact same thing with small, auto, and big. You can also schedule cleaning on maybe when you're not at home so that you're not making any mess. And then there's also the material life where it'll notify you when something needs to be changed or cleaned. The bottom section is for controlling how you want to clean with the vacuum. So there's auto, random, spot. You can also call it to go home, and then there's the edge. It'll start on the edge of the house first and then go through the middle. From my experience though, I like using the auto clean mode, and on the suction I usually just put it on low mode so that the sound or the noise of the vacuum is fairly low. And then the water level, I'd like to use the low as well, because I don't really need that much water when the vacuum is cleaning, especially if you're doing it daily. Great addition as well with DeenKee D40 here is that you can control it via app. So for example, if you want to clean a spot or an area, a certain area, and you want to go over it, you could just control it with your phone like so, and then it'll be able to control it wherever you want to go. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna toss some cereal in front of the vacuum. Let's see if it's able to grab it all. As you can see here, I thrown some stars, some cereal, and it's able to pick it up, which is quite impressive. Now we're gonna try to do crumbs as well, because the mop needs to work at the same time. So we're just gonna throw the same stuff and the stars and just make it a crumb here, throw it in front of it, and then make sure that it is mopping it at the same time. And as you could see, it's able to do it. I'm quite impressed. It'll go back in the same spot here because it does a little parallel zigzag, so it doesn't really miss any spot, which is really nice as well. As you could see here, it's doing it thoroughly, and it's going like in a zigzag formation like I said earlier, and it's doing a good job. Now another test that we're gonna do here is the edge detection, the fall protection. As you can see, it's gonna go through here, it's gonna go back because it's doing the zigzag formation there, and then it'll turn around and clean that area right there, detecting that there's stairs there and it wasn't able to fall, so that's really good. Now for example, you lost your vacuum and somehow it didn't go back to home. Here we can click the seek vacuum and it'll make noise like so, and we'll be able to find it. At any point of the cleaning process as well, you can just click the home button and it'll go back to home like so. Last test is the setting up the no-go zone. So we set up this strip right here. Like I said earlier, the vacuum will try to go past this, but because of the barrier strip, it'll protect the hazardous area there, and the vacuum will detect it and hopefully it'll turn away. So here it is. As you can see there, pretty impressive. It's able to detect the no-go zone and no problem at all. It was able to move away and maneuver from it. Let's try this again. As you can see there, it'll detect it and it'll move away. Really nice. Now right now, this is just for a test, but if you want it stuck on the floor, you can use the 3M tape. Easy peel out there so that it won't get pushed by the vacuum. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a DeenKee D40. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.